welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make your Twitter account or X account public. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your X app, then on your top left corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. There you can see my profile is private. Now to make it public, let's begin. Go to setting and support, then go to setting and privacy. There you can see the option of privacy and safety at 5th. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of audience and tagging. Tap on it. There you can see your protect your posts and protect your videos are on. So if you turn it off, your account will be public and anyone can see your tweets, comment on it. So turn this off. The color should change. Let's go back and see if the lock has disappeared or not. There you go. Your account has been public. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.